Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make this amazing design. Let's start. First we will draw a shape as per your choice on a piece of a paper by means of a pen, and then we will cut this stencil. With the help of the stencils, we will draw this shape on a sticking paper. I followed the marking, cut them into the separate pieces. Now we will stick these stencils on the design fabric. Leave the saw margin fabric around the shape and cut them into the pieces. It's a time for a saw. My all stencils are ready to use. Place the stencils on the back side of the fabric and stitch around the corners. In order to make a hole, cut it from the center. Make small cuts that will help us for turning the stencils. Ta-da! Sew around the profile of your shape so that it will attach with the fabric permanently. Cut the extra threads for the finishing. Now our beautiful design is ready. Let me know in the comment section that how much you like my designing. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Have a great day.